Famous for his law of gravitation, Sir Isaac Newton played a huge role in the scientific revolution of the 17th century. As an established mathematician and physicist, he made discoveries in optics, mathematics, motion, and created the principle of modern physics in 1687, which is known as the most influential book on physics, The Mathematical Principles of Natural Principles. The year Newton was born, an only child to a single mother, where his father died 3 months before his birth. He was abandoned by his mother, Hannah Ayscough, at the age of 3 and was left with his maternal grandmother. This caused irrational behavior later on in his life. In 1865, the plague reached Cambridge, forcing the university to close. During the 18-month hiatus, he discovered the method of infinitesimal calculus, the theory of light and color, as well as the insight into planetary motion, which led to his publication of the Principia in 1687. He had published more work. He was recognized by the mathematics community and became a professor at Cambridge. He began lecturing on optics, which was taught using a reflective telescope and was one of his greatest achievements at the time. This also helped prove his theory of light and color. Of course, there were those who opposed his ideas, and this would continue for a few years until Newton suffers from a nervous breakdown. He kept himself isolated for 6 years. During this time, he continued his studies on gravitation and its effects on the orbits of planets. This eventually turned into the publication of the commonly known principle.